Have you ever wondered why, as we get older, those everyday tasks seem just a little bit harder? Maybe carrying groceries feels heavier, or climbing stairs leaves you a bit more breathless. Here's the thing. I'll let you in on a little secret. It's not just age catching up. It's your muscles quietly fading away. But what if I told you there's one simple food that could help keep your muscles strong? And it might already be in your fridge. Stay with me, because this could make all the difference in how you feel every single day. Now, let's talk about the real culprit, sarcopenia. It's a fancy word, but all it means is muscle loss that sneaks up as we age. And it happens faster than you think. By the time you turn 70, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass. Shocking, right? But don't worry, there's hope. Here's where the magic happens. Protein. Yep, that's the key. If you're not getting enough protein in your diet, your body just doesn't have the building blocks to keep your muscles healthy and strong. And for seniors, that's even more important. So what's the one food almost every senior is missing out on? Drumroll, please. Eggs. I know it sounds simple, but eggs are a powerhouse, loaded with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and essential amino acids your muscles crave. Think about it. One egg gives you about 6 grams of protein. Toss a couple in your breakfast, and you're already giving your muscles the boost they need to stay strong. Plus, eggs are easy to cook, gentle on digestion, and budget-friendly. Now, I get it. Maybe you've heard myths about eggs and cholesterol. Here's the truth. For most people, eggs are perfectly safe as part of a balanced diet. But if you have specific health concerns, it's always best to talk to your doctor. Imagine this. Waking up feeling a little stronger, having more energy, and staying independent longer. It's not just a dream. By adding just a few eggs to your weekly meals, you could help protect your muscles and your freedom. And it's not just about the food. It's about cherishing every moment, being there for family, going for walks, and living life on your terms. Your story isn't over. Your strength matters. So here's my challenge to you. Try adding eggs to your meals this week. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet. However you like them. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite way to enjoy eggs? Let's share ideas and support each other. Remember, you're never too old to start something new. Your muscles are worth fighting for. And it all starts with one small change. Don't let your strength slip away. Start today and celebrate every little victory. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. And hey, leave a comment below with your egg recipes or questions. I can't wait to hear from you. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I'll see you in the next video.